on, everyone? Welcome back to Wildhook Adventures. We're out here at Elephant Butte fishing off of the marina. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the show. Alright, gonna be dropping a little jig head with the minnow. I forgot my little net in the truck, so ooh, I got one. Okay, let's go ahead and drop him down. Just so I can set up my other rod. See if the fish are biting today. This guy we're gonna set up a little different. Right through the back. And we're gonna drop him down as well. I'm gonna have to stand in between both of them. See which one goes down first. Ah! Ah! It popped out of its mouth. It felt big. I even thought I broke off because of how hard it snapped. I barely had it hooked, whatever it was. Ah, there goes the first one. Swing and a miss. Let's see if we can get it to bite again. Whatever it was, it felt really big. Just because of the way it popped. Try this again. Put this guy on this side. That way I can reach for both of them. Man, I really wish I would have hooked it. It felt really, really strong. That little minnow's moving around. I can see my line moving. And it's bouncing the tip. Hopefully something eats it. Got one. Ooh. Feels nice. Oh, I think it's a largie. Might be a smallmouth. Oh, it got hooked up into my other line. Oh, that's a smallmouth. Ooh, that's a nice one. I left my net in the truck. Oh, got him. Ooh, that's a beautiful one. Beautiful smallie. Should I keep him? I like to eat smallmouth. That's a good eater size. Yeah, I'm gonna keep him. Let's weigh him right away. £2. That's a perfect eater size right there. This guy came with a vengeance. I know a lot of people don't like to catch and release bass, but I like to eat smallmouth. Oh, he got off. Took my minnow. Fish on. Got him. Even in this crazy weather, we're still catching fish. Oh, nice, a little channel. Oh, it's a little blue. Got him. He's going in the cooler. Nice little eater size. Perfect little guy. You're gonna go good with your buddy. Alright everyone, we're gonna do a catch, clean, and cook. This is the bass, that's the catfish. We're also gonna be doing a taste test, see which one's better. As you can see, the catfish meat is a lot whiter. This one's a lot more red. So let's see. We already got them all cut up and ready to go. We just need to bread them up, and then we'll take it from there. So we got this Louisiana seasoned crispy fish fry. We got that in here. I'm gonna throw some Franks inside of some of these. I'm gonna make some spicy and some regular. So now throw them into the seasoning. These won't take long to cook just because they're not that big. Got the lard nice and hot, so got the stove a little dirty. Give them about 3-4 minutes on each side. They should be good to go. These ones are almost done on one side. Fish cooks really fast. It's one of the good things. This is gonna be delicious. Alright you guys, we're gonna do the taste test. This is a catfish. Santi's gonna do it with me. That's good. Nice and crispy, super good. Alright, and this is the bass. Cheers. That is way better. The smallmouth is way better. I know a lot of people don't like to eat bass, but smallmouth tastes super, super good.
I think both of them are really good.
You think both of them? Well, there you guys have it. We're gonna finish frying up some fish. Thank you guys for everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe.